Geobyte.
Hello friends, welcome to the GeoByte. In this video, I am going to explain how to multiply any double digit number with any other double digit number just in 5 seconds. Let us take some examples. 76 into 89, 67 into 93, any double digit numbers, 39 into 79. Dear friends, this multiplication you can do by regular procedure, but it takes more time. The time factor is very important, particularly for competitive exams. Therefore, here I am going to give a simple trick for completing this multiplication just in 5 seconds. For that, first let me explain the procedure for completing the multiplication. Dear friends, remember, assume there is a number AB like 39 multiplied by CD like 79. This answer you want. For that, what you do is first you multiply B and D. You multiply the unit place digits first. You multiply B and D. B multiplied by D. Assume that B into D, let the B equal to 2, D equal to 6. 2 into 6 equal to 12. That 12 I am assuming as EF. EF. Here F is 2 and E is 1. Now you write the F value here. You write the F value here first. That F value is 2. Then this E is coming under carry forward. Carry forward equal to E. In our example, that is equal to 1. Then what you do is you multiply A and D and multiply B and C. AD, A into D plus B into B into C. Add the carry forward. Carry forward. That carry forward for this case is 1. Assume this value is some GH. That GH may be some 86. Let it be. Now you write the H value, that H equal to 6. You write the H value here. Then the G is coming under G equal to 8. That is coming under carry forward. The carry forward equal to 8. Then you multiply the A and C. You multiply A and C. A into C. Add the carry forward. What is the carry forward? This is the carry forward. Let that resultant value is Ij. That Ij may be some 63. You write that Ij here for getting the answer for your AB into CD. That Ij, here I is 6, J is 3. You are getting the answer for AB into CD. I hope you clearly understood the procedure. If I take some problems, it is very easy for you to understand. First, let us take the first multiplication. Look at the very first problem. 89 into 97 is how much? First, what you have to do? You have to multiply 9 and 7. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. You select the unit space digit. unit place digit, you write that value here. Then the carry forward is 6. Then you multiply 8 and 7, 8 into 7 and 9 into 9, 9 into 9, add these two values plus carry forward, plus carry forward. 8 into 7 equal to 56 plus 9 into 9, 9 into 9 is 81 plus carry forward is 6, carry forward 6. You write that value. Simplify this for getting 143. From the 143, you select the digit in the unit place. Write that value here. Then the carry forward is, the second carry forward is carry forward 1 equal to 14. 14. Then you multiply 8, you multiply 8 and 9, 8 into 9 plus carry forward. You simplify this value, 8 into 9 equal to 72 plus 14. 72 plus 14 is 86. You write that 86 here for getting your answer. I hope you clearly got my point. 89 into 97 is equal to 8633. I hope you clearly understood. Let us take one more problem. Look at the 24 into 76 is how much? First what you do, you have to multiply 4 and 6. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 24. You write the unit space digit first here. Carry forward is, this is the carry forward 2. Then you multiply 2 and 6. 2 into 6 plus multiply 4 and 7. 4 into 7. For this add the carry forward. Carry forward. 2 into 6 is 12 plus 4 into 7 is 28 plus carry forward 2. You simplify this for getting 42. From that 42, you select the unit place digit, that is 2. Write the 2 here. Then the carry forward 1 is equal to 4. Then what you do? You multiply 2 and 7. You multiply 2 and 7. For that add the carry forward 1 for getting some value. 2 into 7 is 14 plus carry forward 4. 14 into 4 is 18. You put that 18 here for getting the answer. So 24 into 76 is equal to 1824. I hope you clearly got it. You practice it. With practice, you can do this multiplication very quickly. Let us take one more problem. Look at the 46 into 68. First, what should you do? You have to multiply 6 and 8. 6 into 8 equal to 48. You write the 8 here. The 4 is coming under carry forward. Carry forward. Then multiply 4 and 8. 4 into 8 plus multiply 6 into 6. 6 into 6 plus carry forward is 4. Simplify this, 32 plus 36 plus 4 is equal to 72. Then you write this 2 here. The 7 is coming under carry forward. Second carry forward, that we are writing as carry forward 1 equal to 7. Then what you do? You multiply 4 and 6. The tens place of the two numbers, 4 and 6, multiply it. So 4 into 6 plus carry forward. Carry forward is 7. You simplify this one for getting 31. You write that 31 here for getting your answer. Therefore 46 into 68 is equal to 3128. I hope you clearly got my point. Similarly, let us take one more problem. Look at the number 93 into 77. First, what you have to do? You have to multiply 3 and 7. You have to multiply the unit place digits. The 3 into 7 is equal to 21. You write 1 first here. The carry forward is 2. Then multiply 9 and 7. 9 into 7 plus multiply 3 into 7. 3 into 7 plus carry forward is 2. You simplify this one. 63 plus 21 plus 2 is equal to 86. You select the unit place digit, that is 6. Put here. The carry forward is equal to 8. Then you multiply the 9. You multiply 9 and 7. 9 into 7 plus what? Carry forward. Carry forward. 9 into 7 is 63. 63 plus carry forward 8. You simplify this for getting 71. You put that value here for getting your answer. 7161 be the multiplication of 77 into 99. I hope you got my point. Shall we take one more multiplication? Yes. Look at the value. 53 into 39 is how much? First, what should you do? You have to multiply 3 and 9. 3 into 9 is equal to 27. You select the unit place digit, that is 7. Put here. The 2 is coming under carry forward. Carry forward equal to 2. Then multiply 5 and 9. 5 into 9 plus multiply 3 and 3. 3 into 3 plus carry forward is 2. You simplify this one for getting 56. 56. You write the unit place digit here 6. 5 is coming under carry forward. Carry forward 5. Now you multiply 5 and 3. The tens place of the two numbers. 5 into 3 plus carry forward is 5. Is how much? 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. You put that 20 here for getting your answer. So 53 into 39 is equal to 2067. I hope you are all clearly following. So with practice, you can minimize your time. It is taking more time because I have been clearly explaining. Shall we take one more problem? Yes. Look at the number 67 into 91 is how much? First, what you have to do? Multiply 7 and 1. What is the 7 into 1 is equal to 1 only, but always try to write with two digits 0, 7. 7 into 1 is 7, but I have written 0, 7. You select the unit place digit 7. Your carry forward is 0. Then you multiply 6 and 1 plus 7 into 9. 7 into 9 plus carry forward is 0. Carry forward is 0. It is equal to, simplify this value for getting 69. 69. Now you select the unit place digit. You put that value here. The carry forward is 6. Now you multiply this 6 with this 6 with 9. 6 into 9 plus carry forward is 6 equal to 60. 6 into 9 54 plus 6 60. You put that value here for getting your answer. So 67 into 91 is equal to 6097. I hope you are all clearly following. Let us take one more problem. Look at the value. 78 into 89. How much? First what you have to do? Multiply this 8 and 9. 8 into 9. 8 into 9 is equal to 72. You write this 2 here. Then the 7 is coming under carry forward. So carry forward equal to 7. Then multiply 7 and 9. 7 into 9 plus 8 into 8 into 8. 8 into 8 plus carry forward 7. So you simplify this one for getting 134. You select the unit place digit. You write that value here 4. Then what is the carry forward? Equal to 13. Then you multiply this 7 and 8. 7 into 8 plus carry forward. Plus carry forward is 13. Simplify it for getting 69. You write that 69 here for getting your answer 6942 be the multiplication of 78 and 89. I hope you are all clearly following. Dear friends, I am going to give some homework problems for you. You practice these problems at your home. If you have any doubt, you please send your doubt to GeoByte. Definitely I will answer for all your queries. So the homework problems are 82 into 96, 64 into 79. Next one, 39 into 62. Next one, 21 into 91. 29 into 91. So dear friends, you practice these problems as homework problems. With this, my dear friends, I am concluding this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel GeoByte. Once again, thank you very much. Have a great day.
GeoByte.